Good morning, everyone. This is Eli with Just Add Water here in Des Moines today, back at our beautiful shop. Today we're working on another one of our display features. So as you see in front of me, we have somewhat of our basin dug out. We are going to be putting a entry-level pondless here. So it's going to be about 2 feet of elevation. We're going to have 2 to 3 falls in there. Super simple, super fun, and by the end of the day, hopefully we have it running for you guys. Alright everyone, as you can see, we got our box in now. Our basin's just about all the way finished up. The way we do this is we dig our dirt just a couple inches below our waterfall that's right here. Then we dig our box down so it's submerged, and that makes it 10 times easier to hide. Next step, we're going to cut our hole in our liner and put our plumbing line in. And we're going to rock in this top section as we comb our waterfalls. And other than that, we're going to turn it on.
So that's a wrap on one of our phases of our display gardens that we're working on here. This was kind of like Eli mentioned, this is designed to be that entry level. And really what we mean by that is our most common size. It's not as small as it could be, like we can fit that into a smaller space, a pondless like that, but it's definitely the most common. It's a great kind of entry point into having a water feature in your yard. So yeah, with that being said, like obviously we can get smaller, we can obviously get bigger, but this is just that perfect kind of entry size into there where it's a nice ease into the maintenance of the water features and all of that other stuff. It's not designed to be overwhelming or anything like that. We just want to walk you through our space and, you know, provide you ideas and options of everything. And I think the boys really nailed this one with this pondless here, kind of right as we're coming into our displays here. If you want to keep up with our display ponds and the progress that we're making out here, hit that bell icon, get notified for when we're posting more content about it. We have videos every week. Thank you. Have a wonderful YouTube experience.